everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me for another video. So in today's video, we are going to be getting stuck into the kitchen, cooking up a storm and filling the freezer with a whole bunch of meal prep basics that can be used in a variety of ways to make new meals over the next few weeks. In today's video, I'm going to be making two protein-based bases. One using chicken thigh fillets that I'm going to be slow cooking in a tomato passata. This can be used for a ton of different things. You can add taco seasoning and use it for Mexican sort of style dishes like tacos, enchiladas, burritos, burrito bowls. The list is endless. It's honestly so handy having a stash of easy recipe bases filling the freezer. That way, if you are stuck for time, if you have a night when you come home late from work or school pickups, or you have after school activities, then it is really nice to have something that is already ready, that just needs to be either heated up or have something very simple added to it, like a pasta or a rice, or something super basic, just to take that pressure off so you're not starting from scratch every single night. It is honestly the best time saver, and I highly recommend just doing like double batch meal prepping. Even if you don't do it in one day, just maybe for a week of cooking everything you make, just do a double batch and then put that second batch in the freezer, and then you're sorted for a few spare meals for the next few weeks. So this recipe base that I am making, it is just a double batch of like a bolognese base. So I've just put some onions in. I didn't have any garlic, so I just skipped that. Browning off some beef, and then I'm going to split it in half, and I'm going to make half into a bolognese sauce base, and I'm going to make the other half into a Mexican style like taco base that I can make tacos or burritos or burrito bowls or anything like that. And then the other half I can either make bolognese pasta sauce, or I can use it to make the base of like a cottage pie, or like there's literally hundreds of things that you can make with these bases. So versatile, so flexible, and they are very budget friendly. I definitely made sure to pick budget meat cuts because the price of fresh produce is just out of this world at the moment. I definitely need to research some more recipes for like make ahead freezer friendly meals, because I usually always default to these two types of meal bases. One using ground beef and one using slow cooked chicken, because they're so cheap, they're so easy, they're so quick. I don't really have to think about it too much, and they are really family favorites. I know my kids are going to eat them no fuss at all, but I definitely want to have a look at some more that I could maybe get into doing. So if you have any suggestions for family friendly make ahead meals that are also freezer friendly, let me know in the comments what your favorite go-tos are. The other great thing about meal prepping, and I can get about 6 to 8 meals out of all the food that I'm making today, out of these 2 base dishes, is that you only have a major amount of washing up on the day that you meal prep it. So I'm only using this one big fry pan, and I'm using it for multiple dishes, just cooked one after the other, and then I'm also just using my slow cooker crock pot. So it is really quick and easy to be able to clean up, because you're not using pots, pans, utensils, all those things each and every day. You're not dirtying up your stove every night because you're cooking. You're not cleaning your backsplash and all the surrounds and all that sort of stuff. So it is really great for easing the burden of cleaning every night when you meal prep your meals ahead. Another great reason to do it. Now, I know usually on my channel you see us sitting down as a family at the dinner table, but we do occasionally sit on the sofa and watch a movie. If it's Friday or Saturday night, we're pretty relaxed. And even though we've got a white sofa, we just cover it up with some machine washable throws or rugs. And I don't mind if we eat pizza or tacos or whatever on there. Life's to be lived. It doesn't matter if something gets spilled, it's all machine washable. So that about wraps up today's video. I hope you've had some motivation to get in the kitchen and do some bulk cooking and fill up your freezer so you take that pressure off day to day, so you're not having to start from scratch, making recipes, making meals every single night. It really is so good and very handy to have just a few meals up your sleeve, just in case anything happens. I mean, I often factor into my meal plan just something from the freezer. But it is also really nice to have a couple of meals in the freezer that you can rely on if things get busy, if something springs up, if you get home late. It's just nice to have something already ready so you're not tempted to go onto Uber Eats or order in or get takeaway. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll leave my meal prep and meal plan playlist linked in the description below, where I have got absolutely tons of inspiration from meal planning, meal prepping, grocery hauls, all that good stuff. I hope you have a fabulous day, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone. Take like one out one night and then use it, and then take the next one out and use it, and then use the other half of that the next night and the other half. So between 2 containers you could probably get 4 nights worth of meals. So that's the best part of 2 weeks sorted. And I know it's not super exciting if you eat sort of the same base, but you can be a little bit inventive and creative and change it up. So for the, I'll just close up the fridge. There's literally so many different meals and meal options that you can make with those really simple bases. So it's not, while it might seem like it's boring, you can be creative and make a lot of different things with them.